Hello, friends! In this video, you will learn English conversations in daily life. Whether you're a beginner or a more advanced speaker, this video is for you. Watch it and improve your English conversation skills today. You want to understand native speakers, you must practice English conversation daily. Practice makes perfect. Before starting the lesson, please like this video and subscribe to this channel to get a new video.
Are you looking for a job?
Yes, I was looking for a job.
Did you end up getting the job you were looking for?
Yes, finally, I got the job a few days ago.
How can I call you?
You can call me Lily.
Are you from around here?
Yes, I grew up in the city. How about you?
I'm originally from a small town, but I moved here for college.
That's interesting. What are you studying?
I'm studying psychology. I find the human mind fascinating. What do you like to do for fun?
I enjoy painting and hiking in my free time. How about you?
I'm really into playing the guitar and writing songs.
That's awesome. Maybe you can play something for me sometime.
Sure, why not? Do you have any favorite books or movies?
I'm a big fan of mystery novels, and I enjoy watching science fiction movies.
Those genres are exciting. We have some common interests.
It seems so. Maybe we can explore those interests together.
It's a beautiful day today, isn't it?
Yes, the sun is shining and the sky is clear.
I agree. It is a perfect day for a picnic or a walk in the park.
I might go for a bike ride later. How about you?
I'm planning to go for a jog this evening.
Sounds like a great way to enjoy the weather. Have a good run.
Thank you. Lily, have a wonderful day. How may I help you?
I want to get a beauty parlor.
Are you this evening?
I am a little bit tired.
How was your trip to Spain?
It was perfect and beautiful.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. What would you like to order?
I'll have a cheeseburger and a cola, please.
Would you like any sides with your cheeseburger?
Yes, I'll have some French fries on the side.
It. Anything else for you today?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
You're welcome. Your order will be ready shortly. Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the nearest train station?
Sure, you just need to go straight down this road and take the first left.
And then?
Continue walking for a few blocks until you see a big blue sign.
Thank you so much. Is it far from here?
Not really. It's about a 10-minute walk from here.
Thanks. I appreciate your help.
No problem. Have a safe trip.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy playing guitar and reading books. How about you?
I love painting and going to art galleries.
That's cool. I've always wanted to try painting.
You should give it a shot. It's very relaxing.
Sure. Let me know if you need any tips.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a younger sister and an older brother.
Are you close to your siblings?
Yes, we are a tight-knit family. We spend a lot of time together.
That's nice. How about your parents?
My parents are both teachers. They are really supportive.
It sounds like you have a wonderful family.
Thank you. Family means a lot to me.
How can I help you today?
I am looking a blue shirt in size medium.
Sure, we have a few options over here. Take a look.
This one looks nice. Can I try it on?
Of course, the fitting room is right there.
It fits perfectly. I'll take this one, please.
What do you do for living?
I'm a teacher at a local school.
That must be rewarding. What subject do you teach?
I teach English to middle school students.
That's important work. I work in a bank as a teller.
Handling finances must keep you busy. Is it challenging?
Yes, but I enjoy helping customers manage their money.
It's great to have a job that makes a difference.
What's the capital of your country?
The capital of my country is London.
Where would you like to go?
To the beach, please.
What happened?
She got in a car accident.
What's your friend's name?
His name is Nick.
What do you think I should do?
You should ask your dad.
Would you like to go see a movie this weekend?
That sounds like a great idea. Which movie and when?
There is a new action movie playing on Saturday evening.
Sounds exciting. Let's meet at the theater at 6 p.m.
Perfect. I'll get the tickets. See you then. Do you like swimming?
Yes, I love swimming. It's so refreshing.
What about skiing? Have you ever tried it?
I haven't, but I'm not a fan of cold weather.
I see. I enjoy skiing, but I'm not a big fan of swimming.
That's interesting how we all have different preferences.
Definitely. It's what makes us unique.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and